just can't let anything rain on Grad Day. No matter what your age is, you'll still learn new things about life and the world.